Welcome, welcome, welcome to my channel.
Over meadows, inside sprung grass, lungs breathing in the darkness. Love down low, scattered in the gravel. Vapor escapes us in thin air. Find the strength in my shortcomings. Lies don't say. Come on, spend money I try, but no feelings are forthcoming. Slowly, holy, slow.
Dropping some things off because the contractor is coming in the morning to put it together.
Soaked in luxury, leopard in a hurry. Where's that waterfall, the source of it all? Where's the essence of me? Spend money I over
Got the countertop on. Progress, progress, progress. Yes. Finally. It's starting to come together. It's a great feeling. This countertop, we love it. Look at all the little nice little pretty speckly stuff in there. Now, we were just at Home Depot. Let me tell you, we gotta take these ugly, nasty, dirty curtains down. But first we gotta clean this all off before we do that. Because otherwise it's just gonna look extremely nasty. You know, we probably should have painted that right there. Them baseboards.
Still gonna be painted.
Okay.
So much stuff to do.
So much stuff to do. We need to get our little happy tail up and come in here tomorrow to do it. Uh-huh. What's blowing in there? What's popping, baby? Look, he did the floor. My big daddy, look at him. He a boss. He did this whole floor. If you don't remember what it looked like before, just go check out previous videos. So proud of him. He did that thing. Yes, he did. Half we got is stained right there. Didn't do this because they're coming in and put the rest of the stuff on in the kitchen tomorrow. But look at him. Go, baby. Go, Mr. Roman. Go, sweetie. Give yourself a shout out. Right here, we still got
There's a hole up there. I gotta get a screen and put the screen on before I do anything else. Sound and stuff.
Okay.
Fix that hole up
Get your son up in the morning. Come on out here and do this stuff. Do this thing. But this
there. You do what?
help you come over here and do that.
You do what?
Help you do that. Teach him how to do it. But this kitchen from,
You gonna cook the rest?
look, we one son in college and one of them graduated at home. He can do that.
Sure.
I'm just so ecstatic with all this. This is just absolutely coming from where it started to where we are now. work. Hard work, work. Those ugly curtains do no justice for up in here. Look horrible. Yeah, we have to take them down. What happened? I gotta take my shoes off. Let me come back there and see. Well, it looked like it sucked it up. The stain.
See, what I did is I learned how to do it. This is done right.
Okay.
This is done right. Here, in the hallway.
Okay.
I did the bedrooms wrong.
You did.
Yeah. I put too much on. It's not drying right, so I gotta put
It looked good though. I mean,
it's just good when they supposed to have a machine like this.
oh, okay.
They're supposed to have a machine like this after I put the poly.
After you do what?
Put the polyurethane on.
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha. Okay. Poppin', baby. Okay, well, I'm proud of you, baby. Where it looked like where it came from before, you did a great job. What you just drink out of?
Are you done?
I'm done. Like I said, it's just a couple of things that needs to be touched up over there that we still haven't gotten done. So we're at home now, and everybody thought it was best because we've eaten out twice today out doing work that we just stay at home and save some money. The kids love this brand of burger, jalapeno, and I decided to cook these on the grill. And I don't eat beef, but they do, so I'm cooking that for them. And I made salmon last night, so I'm gonna have that myself. Some salmon with a salad. A little grilling for the burgers. So that's how they look frozen. These are really quick and simple, easy items to eat when you don't have time or you don't feel like cooking. They'll probably eat one a piece. I might have to end up cooking all the leftovers as well because they are hungry. But look what time it is. We're eating really late because we've been busy all day working. We started cooking. Looking pretty good. See the jalapeno on there? For some reason, me and my family love some hot stuff. Fries in there. Those right there are restaurant quality fries. Yum, yum. They're seasoned and spiced to taste. St. Louis Bread Company earlier, and I'm eating a salad from earlier today with some leftover salmon, and that will be my dinner. As you see, everybody else has burgers and fries. Still trying to keep up with my weight loss journey. Some Moscato, but it looks like somebody drank my Moscato up. So I stopped by today to see if the contractors came by and finished putting in the ceramic tile. Looks like they are doing a great job. They got the cuts going well around that. On the plugs. And I'm still working on this. I'm kind of confused why they didn't finish that part, but oh well. So looks like we're good on ceramic tile. We don't have to buy anymore. Got the faucet on. Looks like water is working. Everything's set up in here. Dishwasher is in. Yeah, he did, but finish that part right there.
It's on some stages now.
Okay.
We did that all the while, so I had to do it. So
But it looks good.
it was real good. It's rough.
As I mentioned. And I was just saying about the cuts in there. Everything is cut precisely. Precise around there. He did a great job because I've seen some dreadful crap before. Oh, super cool. Can't wait to get the lights in, so you're going to call Lewis so he can put all the lights in. The electrician. Okay, well, him. Okay. Right. Okay, well, good. Sure. Coming together. Part 1 of working with your spouse in business. I had to leave out because I'm about ready to cuss my husband out. We do business together every day. We up in the store. I'm about ready to leave out. I had to leave out because I'm about ready to curse him out. I can't deal with him. Can't deal with him all day long. And in business too, it's hard. Working with your spouse, being in business, very stressful trying to decorate with you. You said what?